Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing into the account where you want to change two-factor authentication. Enter your password and complete the first verification with your current phone or authenticator. Once signed in, open the Security or 2FA settings page. This is where authentication numbers are managed. Make sure you have any backup codes or an alternative second factor nearby in case the primary method fails. This prevents lockout and speeds the switch to a new phone number. Next, you change the stored number by choosing Edit or Manage next to your phone-based two-factor option. Type the new phone number carefully and select SMS or call as the verification channel if required. Then request the verification code and wait for it to arrive. This step proves you control the new number. Once you receive the code, enter it and confirm the change. Make sure the account acknowledges the new number and removes the old one to avoid security. Finally, you validate the change by signing out and signing back in, choosing the newly registered verification method when prompted. Update any linked authenticator apps and save new backup codes to a secure place, then remove the old phone number from your account. If something goes wrong and you can't receive codes, use backup codes or start the provider's account recovery process. Contact support only if recovery fails. Keep your recovery email current to speed any remedial steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.